The design is really clever, just a few small details make great use of the battery power. The overall look is clean and simple, and it's super easy to use. It weighs only 3.5 ounces, or about 8.2 with two batteries. It's about 5 inches long, 2.8 wide, and just over an inch thick. With two 5000 mAh batteries, it can power my iPhone 12 Pro for almost 2 full days. The screen shows the battery level, usage time, and output power. It's bright enough to read clearly, even in the dark. Press the button again, and you can see the power output for each port. Both USB-A and USB-C work at the same time without any issues. It can power a small light bulb, great for emergencies. It also works with small cameras. And even a mini fan, which is perfect for outdoor use. Clip it on your bag, and you're good to go. Super convenient. What really stands out is how portable and detachable it is. It's compact and practical. Whether you're using it indoors or outdoors, no need to worry about storage or space.